Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to talk about what can often feel like a tricky balancing act in fundraising, managing urgent, immediate needs alongside building a strong foundation for the future. It's entirely normal for a charity or any organisation focused on fundraising to feel pulled in two directions. On one hand, you have pressing projects that need funding now, be it a new building, an important research centre, or a last-minute campaign that needs urgent support. And on the other hand, there's the long game, developing relationships with donors who can sustain your organisation long-term, building reserves and investing in recurring income streams. The challenge is not just doing both, but doing them well together. To succeed, you need a proactive strategy. First, plan with intention. Know what your urgent needs are and communicate these clearly, but also make space for long-term goals in your planning. This means investing resources in stewardship, building relationships that last. Long-term sustainability comes from a mix of steady, ongoing support and strategic development. For example, cultivating alumni or corporate partnerships can provide reliable income while helping you grow reserves and support future projects. It's also about mindset, recognizing that short-term and long-term strategies are mutually reinforcing. When donors see the impact of their support today and understand the bigger picture, they're more likely to stay engaged and give long-term support. And this balance isn't easy. It requires discipline, planning, and often a bit of patience. But in my experience, organisations that master this approach make better decisions, sustain their work longer, and ultimately make a bigger impact. If you'd like some tailored advice on creating a balanced fundraising plan that works for your organisation, just get in touch via the link on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to Early Bird Philanthropy for more insights like this. Thanks for listening.